Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Palit GeForce RTX 40 Super lineup which is leaked out, and first features of RTX 4070Ti and 4080 Supers are here. So friend, Pilot is set to unveil approximately 12 new graphics cards next week, although some models would not be available until the end of January, and these images represent the very first look at the upcoming RTX 4080 supercars in Pilot's lineup, and the SKU is accepted to incorporate the full 8103 GPU boasting 10,240 quad cores and fast 23 Gbps DDR6X memory with 16 GB capacity, and the RTX 4080 Super might seem to be the least noteworthy enhancement within the RTX 40 Super portfolio. And friend, Pilot is making two different models, Gaming Pro OC and JetStream OC, as well as their non-OC counterparts. According to available information, the Gaming Pro model is slated to come with 2610 MHz clock, while the JetStream OC will showcase a 2580 MHz boost, representing a factory overclock of 60 and 30 MHz respectively compared to NVIDIA reference specifications. And friend, this Pilot RTX 40 Super Series will be formally announced next week on 8 January. And friend, the company will then launch this graphics card on 17 January, 24 January, and 31st January. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.